Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Xbox controller to your laptop. First, make sure your specific Xbox wireless controller model actually supports Bluetooth. Many newer models do, but it is always good to confirm. Next, verify that your laptop's Bluetooth is turned on and set to discoverable mode. Finally, ensure both your laptop's operating system and the controller's firmware are up to date for the smoothest experience. Now, let us begin the pairing process. Start by turning on your Xbox wireless controller by pressing the large Xbox button in the center. Once it is on, locate the small pair button, usually found near the top of the controller, and press and hold it for about 3 seconds. The Xbox button will start flashing rapidly, indicating it is in pairing mode. Simultaneously, open your laptop's Bluetooth settings. With your controller in pairing mode and your laptop's Bluetooth settings open, you should see Xbox Wireless Controller appear in the list of available devices. Select it to initiate the connection. Once successfully paired, the Xbox button on your controller will glow solid, indicating a stable connection. You can then test its functionality by navigating through your laptop's menus or launching a game to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your controller and laptop can often resolve them. Also, ensure there are no other active Bluetooth devices nearby that might cause interference. For optimal performance, always keep your controller sufficiently charged and try to stay within a 10-meter range of your laptop. This will help maintain a strong and stable connection during your gaming sessions.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.